everybody, it's Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate. I'm out here at 222 North Penn Street in the borough of Pottstown. This is a rehab project that's being brought to you by Find Solutions Properties. We were out here a little bit before the construction really got underway. Colin and I came back today. We're going to give you a couple updates of what's going on here at 222 North Penn Street. Then we're going to take a little walk downtown and I'm going to show you some of the great stuff that's happening here in Pottstown, just a few blocks away from this house. This is in the works. Thanks for tuning in. We're standing here in the combined dining, kitchen, and living area on the first floor. Originally, the kitchen was in the back of the house. Find Solutions Properties and their contractors decided to move the kitchen into what used to be the dining room. The old kitchen is now a laundry and a half bath on the first floor. We've got this great open concept here now on the first floor. New kitchen cabinets are in. Bruce Richard has been working on staining and refinishing the original hardwood floors. Paint's up on the walls. I see electric has come in with some new ceiling fans. There's going to be all new lighting. Just wanted to give you an update of what was going on here at 222 North Penn Street. So we're outside here at 222 North Penn Street. I wanted to show you a couple of the unique features to this house. This is the only house on the block that has off-street parking. It also has a 2-car garage. And we're in the process, or Find Solutions Properties is in the process of putting new siding on this house. So you can see the transition here between the old siding and the new siding. I wanted to show you that. This is another attention to detail item that is a decision that was made by Find Solutions Property to update the outside of this house so it matches some of the great new features that are coming to the inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little walk downtown from 222 North Penn Street down to some of the great new developments and great new things that are happening downtown. We're only about 3 blocks off the downtown, and I want to take a little walk and show you some of the great new things that are happening here. We've got brew pubs, theater, restaurant. We got an axe throwing venue, all kinds of neat stuff, just a really short walk away. So come on, let's go. All right, so we've walked about a block and a half away from 222 North Penn Street. We're standing at the corner of Penn and Chestnut Street. I wanted to show you the Phillies Fire Company. It's one of our volunteer fire companies here in the borough of Pottstown. Phillies Fire Company also has a nice social club on the 2nd floor, so you can come here on the weekends, grab a bite to eat, get a cold beer, and relax with your friends and fellow neighbors. Again, we're a block and a half away from 222 North Penn Street. Just another cool feature of this neighborhood. Okay, so now we're 3 blocks away from 222 North Penn Street. We're standing at the corner of North Penn and East High Street. Right behind me is Juan Carlos Fine Mexican Cuisine. Across the street is the New York Plaza. There's a new gym in there called the Little Gym, which is a gym for small kids and their parents. And then also in the New York Plaza, they're bringing in the Montesano Cafe, which is a coffee shop and sandwich shop. So again, we're 3 blocks away from the property that we're highlighting. We've walked down here and already we've passed 3 great restaurants, 4 if you count the Philly Social Club. We've got a new gym coming in for families. And in a little bit, we're going to walk down the street and I'm going to show you one of my personal favorite stops on High Street, the Pottstown United Brewing Company. So we're outside the Steel River Playhouse. This is a great venue for live entertainment. They've got a pretty healthy list of plays and musicals and other live entertainment, live performances that come in here to Pottstown. It's a great place to catch a show. I've gone there myself several times. I've always been impressed with the production quality and the acting at Steel River Playhouse. So this is one of my favorite stops, the Pottstown United Brewing Company. This has been open for about a year or so now. The food here is great. It's being done by Chef Adam Burke, who also owns Lily's Grill. And I'm gonna give you an idea of a good entertainment setup. My suggestion would be to come to Pottstown United Brewing Company, grab yourself one of their fresh made beers. It's a rotating list of beers that they have on draft here. Grab yourself a meal and then head right down the street to Steel River Playhouse for a live performance. You could not beat that as far as good entertainment on a Friday or Saturday or Sunday afternoon. Grab your meal, grab a beer, head to a live performance. Pottstown United Brewing Company, another fine institution right here about 3 blocks away from 222 North Penn Street. Okay, so we're standing outside of the brand new Pottstown Farmers Market. The Farmers Market was an institution here in Pottstown for a long time. It's under new ownership and new management. The place has gotten a facelift. They're bringing a new list of businesses inside. Kiki's Vodka Bar is here, I Caramba Taco. Everybody's talking about the great tacos from I Caramba. And then there's other vendors and purveyors of fine local products inside here, the farmers market. Only showed you a handful of things. There's still more to see, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of teaser of what is available to do and see here downtown Pottstown. So one of the things I wanted to highlight about what's going on down here on High Street are the new bike lanes. There's new bike lanes, not just on High Street, but all over town. These bike lanes will link you into the Schuylkill River Trail, which will take you to Riverfront Park, which will take you to Memorial Park, which if you ride far enough, you can go all the way out to Reading or all the way down to Philadelphia on these bike trails. I thought that was a pretty cool thing. They're getting a lot of press lately. People are using them and riding them. And now that we have these great businesses on either side of the bike lanes, you have plenty of places to stop, shop, or grab a refreshment while you're enjoying your time on your bikes here in Pottstown. Here we are outside of a great entertainment venue down on High Street, the Splitting Edge axe throwing venue. You can come here with your friends and co-workers or families and compete in a healthy game of axe throwing. Also in this building, they're going to be bringing in a new brew pub called JJ Radigan. Not sure of the timeline for the opening, but fairly soon we'll have 2 brew pubs within a 2-block radius here on High Street. Pretty interesting thing. And again, more entertainment, more good recreation, 3 blocks away from 222 North Penn. Thanks for tuning in. This has been the latest episode of In the Works at 222 North Penn Street. We've highlighted the latest rehab project from Fine Solutions Properties. We've also talked about some great Pottstown businesses here in the Pottstown Downtown. My name's Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate. You can find me on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks for tuning in.